how to know if someone deleted Life360. Alright, it's difficult to definitely know if someone has deleted the app itself if they haven't also deleted their account, as the app will still show them as a member of a circle. Alright, like this one right here. This account, or my wife's account right here, or her phone doesn't have the app anymore. And as you can see here, she is still in my circle. And when we check our settings right here under circle management, alright, I'm going to tap on delete circle members. As you can see here, she is still available in the list. Okay, so it's really hard to spot. However, there are a few signs that might indicate that they have uninstalled or no longer actively using the app. For example, this one right here, being inactive. All right, now another one, if you check your dashboard, okay, right here, if someone consistently stops sharing their location, or if their last known location is significantly outdated, it could be a sign they've stopped using the app. Also, you will receive a notification that someone has turned off their location services on their phone. Well, that means that they must have deleted their app as well. Also, you'll receive a message where it says that a circle member has logged out. Now, when you tap on a profile, for example, this one right here, just going to tap on it. If their profile is missing information, like their country time zone or their introduction has changed to deleted the app, it could be a clue. Another one, if they haven't been active on the app for an extended period, as what I've explored, again, circle management and delete circle members, you'll see last updated right here. You'll see the hours or days, the last time that the person have logged in. That's basically it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.